Hi, Turbo Girl. Take a look at the numbers I have here.
210, 503, 486, and 379.
Are the numbers arranged in order?
I'm not sure. The numbers are too big.
Come, let's check together. Look at the list again. Look at the first digit. In this case, it will be the hundreds. Are the numbers arranged from the smallest to the biggest?
210 has 2 hundreds, 503 has 5 hundreds, 486 has 4 hundreds, and 379 has 3 hundreds. After 2 hundreds, the bigger number will be 3 hundreds, 4 hundreds. But the numbers here are arranged in 2 hundreds, then 5 hundreds, 4 hundreds. So I think the numbers are not arranged accordingly.
Yes, these numbers are not arranged accordingly. Let us arrange them from the smallest to the biggest now.
Okay.
Which one is the smallest number?
The number that begins with 200. That will be 210.
After 210, which number should be next, Turbo Girl?
Okay, the smallest number is 210. The numbers left are 503, 486, and 379. 379 should be next because it starts with 300. Then it will be 486, and lastly 503.
Good. How about this set of numbers? Arrange the numbers in ascending order.
Teacher, what do you mean by in ascending order?
That means you have to arrange the numbers from the smallest to the biggest.
I see, teacher. Arrange the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. All the numbers here start with 500s.
So, we'll look at the second digit from the left. Is there any difference?
Yes, their tens are different.
That's right. How would you arrange the numbers in order, Turbo Girl?
I will arrange them in ascending order according to their tens digits. 599 has 9 tens, 512 has only 1 10, 540 has 4 tens, and 553 has 5 tens. The number with only 1 10 should be the smallest. So I'll write 512 first, then 540, followed by 553, then 599.
Very good, Turbo Girl. Try to arrange this set of numbers from the smallest to the biggest.
The numbers have the same number of hundreds and tens. Does this mean that we'll look at the ones?
Yes, Turbo Girl.
I look at the ones digits and arrange them from the smallest to the biggest. They are 2, 4, 5, and 6. So the numbers shall be arranged in this manner. 702, 704, 705, and 706.
Wonderful, Turbo Girl. What about this set of numbers?
Well, I look at the hundreds digit. 553 has 5 hundreds, 301 has 3 hundreds, 540 has 5 hundreds, and 664 has 6 hundreds. So 301 is the smallest number and 664 is the biggest. Since 553 and 540 has the same number of hundreds, I need to compare the tens digits. 553 has 5 tens and 540 has 4 tens. So 540 is smaller than 553.
Well done, Turbo Girl. Try the activity below now. Turbo Girl, now you know how to arrange numbers in order. Let me see whether you know the numbers which is before or after the given number.
564. If I count on, the next number will be 565.
Good. Now, look at this set of numbers. Can you fill in the missing numbers for me?
Let me try. 120, 121, 122. The numbers increase by 1 in this sequence.
So if you count on by 1, what will be the number after 122?
Count on by ones. 120, 121, 122, 123.
Yes. How about the next set of numbers?
Okay, this set of numbers starts with 400, followed by 410, then 420.
Which digit is changing, Turbo Girl?
It's only tens, and seems like they increase by tens.
Yes, count on by tens and you will get the answer.
400, 410, 420, 430, 440. The missing number is 430.
Wonderful! Now, look at this set of numbers.
This set of numbers start with 100, followed by a missing number, then 300, 400, and 500. So I'll count on by hundreds, teacher. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So the missing number is 200.
Well done, Turbo Girl. Last set of numbers for you.
415 is 5 more than 410, and 430 is 5 more than 425. So this number sequence increases in 5. I count on the numbers by 5. 410, 415, 420. Therefore, the missing number should be 420.
Smart girl. Now, let us try the following activity. Well, Turbo Girl, you should know how to fill in a missing number by now. Now, let's try to find out more missing numbers.
More challenging?
Yes. Look at this set of numbers. Are you able to fill in the missing numbers?
Let me see. The fifth number 655 is 10 more than the fourth number 645. So this number sequence increases in 10. Thus, the first missing number should be 10 plus 615 equals 625. And the second missing number should be 625 plus 10 equals 635. Am I right, teacher?
Yes, that's correct. Clever girl. Now, look at this set of numbers. Can you fill in the blanks?
I can try. In this sequence, 551 is the first number and 555 is the fifth number. The fifth number is 4 more than the first number. Only the ones digits are changing. Seems like they increase by 1.
Why don't you try to count on by ones, Turbo Girl?
Oh, yes. 551, 552, 553, 554, and 555. Ah, teacher, I have got the answer. The three missing numbers are 552, 553, and 554.
Good job. Last question for you.
That's not difficult. The first number and the second number differ by 100. So this number sequence increased in 100. I count on the numbers by 100s. 411, 511, 611, 711, 811. Thus, the numbers after 511 are 611, 711, and 811.
Well done, Turbo Girl. In today's lesson, we have learned how to arrange numbers from the smallest to the biggest.
Yes, we will look at the first digit from the left if they are the same. Then we will go on to the next digit and so on.
And how would you find what the missing numbers are?
I still remember. We can count on.
That's right. Don't forget to observe the number pattern before counting on.
I will remember that, teacher. See you in the next lesson.